In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Fiverr account. Whether you're looking to buy services or offer your own, setting up an account is your first step into the bustling marketplace where freelancers and clients come together. Let's walk through the process step by step to ensure you have a smooth start. First, you'll need to navigate to Fiverr's website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in fiverr.com. This will take you directly to Fiverr's homepage where you can see the wide assortment of freelance services available. Here you can explore top global talent in various fields, but let's focus on setting up your account. Once you're on the home page, look for the Join button. It's typically located at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on Join will initiate the account creation process. It's worth noting that by joining, you're unlocking access to communicate directly with sellers or buyers depending on your needs. After clicking Join, you'll be presented with several options to create your account. For a streamlined setup, I recommend clicking on Continue with Google. This option allows you to expedite the process using your Google account instead of starting from scratch with a new username and password. Not only does this save time, but it also links your accounts for easy access in the future. Following this, you'll need to choose a username. This step is important because it's how you'll be represented on Fiverr. Think about how you want potential clients or freelancers to perceive you. Choose something professional, memorable, and relevant to your niche or services. Once you've decided on a username, confirm it, and you'll be one step closer to activating your account. Now go ahead and type in your selected username and then click on Create My Account. Congratulations! You've now entered the Fiverr community. The next screen will confirm your account creation, yet there's one more step. You'll see a message saying your account has been created. What brings you to Fiverr? Here, you'll select whether you are a freelancer looking to offer services or a client looking to hire. Choose I'm a freelancer if you're looking to sell your skills, or simply continue browsing if you're a buyer. Click next and you'll be on a page that says, great, you're almost there. Here's what's next. This page will guide you on setting up your profile, but for now, let's focus on getting started. Finally, to begin exploring Fiverr and all it has to offer, click on Start Exploring. This will direct you to Fiverr's main interface, where you can start browsing or setting up your seller's profile. And there you have it. Your Fiverr account is set and ready to go. Be sure to spend some time exploring the various functions and features Fiverr provides. Happy freelancing, and may you find success in your Fiverr journey.